Hello there. Are you familiar with this option right here that says 5 tips to keep your chin up? Or are you familiar with this publication material? How about this one right here? Now, these are called infographics. They're summarized version of what you want to say to people you want to advertise or market. They're pretty helpful to boost your sales, especially to reach out to some audiences. For example, on this one right here, this is for mental health. You have that small way or summarized way on how to take care of your mental health. Because in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create infographics without having to design one from scratch. So let me just open up the website we're gonna use. So the website we're gonna use is PikToChart or PikToChart. This should be the landing page you should be seeing also on your end. So as you can see right here, I haven't signed up yet because I want to take you step by step. So I'm gonna click on continue with Google because I'm gonna choose my dummy Google account to proceed with this one. So I'll get back to you once I'm inside. So this should be the landing page you should be seeing on your end once you're inside. So before we get started, on this option right here that says upgrade, you'll see the prices. Let me just click on right now. So for this option, you'll see unlimited downloads, unlimited visuals. That is for the upgraded version. Because for now, since we're using the free trial, we only have 5 template or 5 output per day. That will be our limit. I think that would be enough for discussion purposes. So with this one, click on that PikToChart or PikToChart AI right there. It's a fairly new option, so click on it. So once you're inside, it should look like this. On the bottom section, you'll see some samples from other creators, like this one right here. So it only as a topic. As you can see, it's already giving us some idea. Top 5 trending topics on LinkedIn and generate infographics. That's how simple it is. So for example, let's try this one. The benefits, okay, of working from home. So click on generate infographics on this option right there. And without further ado, it will give you some infographic sample. So while waiting for your final output to finish, like so, notice on the left side, you have to choose a design. If I want this one right here, a little bit more on the feminine side, or this one right here, a little bit more on the academic side, if you may. Now, that being said, this is gonna be everything that here is AI generated. I did not type this. I did not type this flexibility. I did not search for that photo. Anything you see here is based from AI. I just type in the title, the benefits of working from home, and everything here has been designed from scratch. So for example, I'm satisfied with this template. I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna click on that button at the top right section, edit this infographic. Click on it right now. So basically, once you're here, after clicking that button, you can arrive on this editing platform to edit specific stuff to your liking. So pay attention to the left side, you'll have a lot of tools to work with. It will be like Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva and how it works, I have a video about it, so please check it out. So we have some tools here. Graphics per section is gonna be divided into, I think, 7 if I'm not mistaken, or 8. Nonetheless, you have designing components. You have colors, charts, maps, files, and so much more. So for this video, we're gonna run through the basics here. For example, you want to edit the title. Simply click on it. It will be a very user-friendly experience. So for example, I want to rename it from working from home. Easy as that. And with that being said, I've just renamed the title. If I want to move it a little bit inches to the lower side, I can just drag it and hold it like so. So it really is a very user-friendly interface. So for example, I want to edit it. The font size, the font style. You can choose it on the top section over there. For example, you want some Grand Hotel option over here. Increase the font size. Let me just increase it to 80. And take note, without even clicking it, just by hovering on the numbers, you'll see the preview. I'm gonna go with 96 right here. And then, I want to add some more color. So, to add some color, let's have some fun here. Let's check it out. I think it will be this one right here. For the color, I'm gonna go with yellow. Like so. And there we have it. The brand color has been changed to yellow. Let me go for blue. How about some little blue right there? How about purple, right? That is pretty awesome. If you go to text right here, you have font schemes and text styles. For the display, you can edit it as you please if you want to add some here. If you want to add some text box for header, you can simply click on that and you'll have your sample header like so. Pretty easy, pretty simple, right? Now, if you have your attention here for opacity, you want to make it transparent, this is your option right there. So let me just move it a little bit lower there so you can see it. Perfect. Now to change the color of text, make sure you highlight this one, click on that text color. I'm gonna go a little bit red right there. How about this one right here? Let me just change it to color green. Let me look for green right there. Perfect. So basically with that one, I've just edited the title and subtitle. Now let's check some more here. Some more graphics to work with. So you'll notice some of the icons are for a pro version, so leave them as it may be. Let's look on for the free trial. Anyway, they're gonna be the same process on how to use them. For example, I want this leaf. Simply click on it, and you'll add it on your Canva. Place it like so, you can rotate it to make it to your liking. How about that one right there? Perfect, right? You can choose illustrations, 3D, and of course you can add photos like so. Now with that being said, you can also change this photo to your liking. For example, you want it to save to your library, you want to change the mask. For example, you want it heart shaped, you can do so as you please. So the limit here would be your imagination basically. Now for example, you're satisfied with everything, you can simply click on preview first before downloading it. Because remember, we only have 5 per day trial. So click on preview, and this is how it should look like. Now once you're done with this, click on preview one more time to go back on the editing platform, and then click on download if you're satisfied, okay? So click on download, you have the option to choose PNG. However, for PDF is for pro version. So I'm gonna go PNG, medium or high quality. I'm gonna go for the word normal. You can download it as pages, so you have a lot of images, but for me, I'm gonna go with 1 file only. So the download limit is down to 2 right here. So I was wrong from earlier. I think a few months ago it was 5. Right now it's down to 2. So simply click on download PNG right there and wait for it to finish. Basically it will go straight to your PC with no problem. So here we are, click on folder and then basically click on it, and there we have it. Our infographic is now currently downloaded on our PC with no problem at all. Basically that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.